The Boy with the Umbrella. Village called Dry Creek. The land was thirsty. The sun had baked the ground for so long that it looked like a giant, broken cookie. The great river where children used to splash and play was now just a winding line of dust. In the center of the village stood a giant old tree. It used to have big green leaves, but now its branches looked like skinny fingers reaching up to the sky, begging for a single drop of water. One day, the village pastor stood in the dusty square. "We must have faith," he called to the worried villagers. "This Sunday, everyone will meet under the great dry tree. We will pray for rain." On Sunday, the entire village gathered under the bare branches. Just as the pastor was about to begin, a little boy named Leo was seen pushing his way to the front, dragging something big and black. The villagers stared. "Silly boy," one man whispered. "There isn't a single cloud in the sky," a woman added. But Leo didn't listen. He sat down, put the umbrella by his feet, and looked up at the pastor, ready to pray. The pastor saw the umbrella and cleared his throat. "Oh God," he prayed, his voice booming. "We are your children. We are thirsty. Our land is dying. Please, we beg you, send the rain." At first, nothing happened. Then, a cool wind suddenly blew. A woman gasped and pointed. In the empty white sky, a small gray cloud had appeared. As they watched, it grew bigger and bigger. Suddenly, the sky was dark and full. Splat! A single, giant raindrop hit the pastor right on the nose. Everyone gasped. Splat, splat, splat. And then the heavens opened. People jumped to their feet. They laughed and cried. They spun around with their faces to the sky, letting the cool water wash away the dust and sadness. They were getting completely, wonderfully drenched. In the middle of all the happy, celebrating villagers, there was a whoosh. Little Leo had pressed the button. His big, black umbrella popped open. He stood under it, perfectly dry, smiling up at the sky. The pastor, his own clothes dripping wet, laughed a big, happy laugh. He pointed right at Leo and shouted, "Look! We all prayed for rain, but only one of us believed it would come. Only one of us brought his umbrella." The people of Dry Creek never forgot that day. They learned that faith isn't just about asking for a miracle. It's about living like you truly expect an answer. It's about remembering to bring your umbrella,